Hello, grade 6. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Today, we are going to learn something very interesting. How do living organisms survive? How do living organisms survive? Let's start and have fun together. At first, let's think together. I have two sentences. Number one, the desert is a hard habitat for survival. True or false? Hard habitat. So, yes, it's true. Most animals in the desert have white fur. In the desert, white fur, white fur like polar bear. So it's false. Good, great job. Okay, now let's talk about a special animal. Let's talk about a special animal. Dorcas gazelle. Dorcas gazelle. This animal lives in the desert or semi-desert in Egypt and the Middle East. But wait, how can it survive in such a hot place? How? It has a special adaptation. For example, its body color. Number one, its body color. It has a sandy color, help it blend with this environment, help it blend in sand. And number two, it can live for months without drinking water. Several months. Wow. Okay, now listen. Living organisms depend on two important things. Living organisms depend on two important things: environmental factors and genetic trait or genetic factor. Environmental factor, these are things around us like air, water, soil, and sunlight. This is environmental factors. Okay, genetic factor, these are traits passed from parent to offspring. Offspring like us, parent like our parent. Okay, so genetic factor, traits or characteristics that pass from parent to offspring, like hair color, skin color, mouth shape, um, skin color, ear shape, nose shape, length of fingers. This is traits passed from our parent to us. So, both help living organisms grow and survive. Hmm. Okay, let me ask you, what happens if there is a lot of food and water availability of resources? What happens? Yes, it helps the organism to grow well. And the other side, what happens if there is not enough food, not enough water to drink, a scarcity of resources? Yes, the organisms must adapt to survive, must adapt to survive. Now let's move to something exciting. Bird migration. Bird migration. Birds move from one place to another. But why? At first, let's talk about adaptation mean. What's the meaning of adaptation? It's a process that help living organisms survive. It's a process that help living organisms to survive. There are two types of adaptation: structural adaptation and behavioral adaptation. Structural adaptation like body parts, body parts like thick fur or thorns in the cactus, like mouth shape, ear shape, eye color, skin color. Structural adaptation. Okay, and behavioral adaptation like actions. Actions like migration of bird. Behavioral adaptation, a change in the behaviors or acts of living organisms. Okay, migration. So what is the meaning of migration? The bird or animal move from one place to another, usually in season. And this is a behavioral adaptation. So migration, it's a behavioral adaptation in which animals or bird move from one place to another. Okay, what is the reasons of migration? Reasons of migration. Why do birds migrate? To find food, to find suitable place to live, to reproduce or have a babies. But migration is not easy for birds. Birds face many challenges like extreme weather, like predator, lack of food and water, no place to rest, or limited resting sites due to habitat loss. So migratory bird must have structural characteristics or physical traits to help them survive during their journey. Okay, but in Egypt, we are lucky. Sorry, wait a minute. Okay, the Red Sea and Nile River are important places for migratory bird. Birds come to Egypt because the weather is good and different environments. Like birds have the moderate winter climate, and the area of Red Sea contain different environments like coastal, marine, mountain, variety of environments or variety of habitats. Okay, example of migratory bird. We have two birds, the common birds, eagles and falcons. Eagles and falcons. So, today we learned what is adaptation, types of adaptation, why bird migrate, and the type of birds. See you next lesson.